What's up, everybody? Out here trying to see if old Boston can tree a squirrel. We normally don't hunt during the daytime. It's the first time I ever brought them out, but you never know. These dogs will surprise you if you give them the chance. Right now, he's about 430 yards out. Start walking into him soon. Make sure he ain't up to no good. But it's a nice Maryland day outside. It's about 64 degrees, about 10 o'clock. In my eyes, I think a squirrel should be moving. I think it should be squirrels frolicking all about. But that's in my eyes. We'll see. I'll tap back in soon. Update. He ain't doing nothing. Really up to no good. In my eyes, when I see you out the woods on the Garmin, you up to no good. That's in my eyes. Now I gotta walk to the end of the street with the Carhartt shiesty pulled up to make sure we don't get in no trouble. Just cut the corn. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Would have been look better in the woods. That's in my eyes. I'm just saying. A hunting dog should stay in the woods. Now I gotta teach them to stay in the woods during the daytime. Where he at now? 290. Yeah, he running through that corn. He running through the corn. Let me see. I might be able to catch a glimpse of him. Actually. Yeah, there you go. Okay, I give it to him. He is hunting. He's staying along the wood edge. I give that to him. Oh, there he comes. See, I hear the squirrels barking. I know he hear them too. He is hunting though. I give him that. I thought he was just out here running up and down the block. I don't know where you off to now, Lloyd. What you got planned now? Right now he up under that tractor right there. I'm gonna see how good I've been doing with my tone training. I can see him now. Let's see how much attention he paid to it. None. He's still running. He's still running. Not paying no attention. Still running. Still running. He don't care. It hit different when the Bulldogge is bullheaded, hard-headed. But at least he's sticking to the wood lines. He ain't just out here looking for trouble. I give him that. All right, that was just a short little run to see what he was gonna do in the daytime. Really, he just did a big circle around the neighborhood. from the video I got when I could see him, not on the Garmin, but with my eyes. In my eyes, it looked like he was working along the wood line. Louis, come on. See, he just don't be listening. He just don't be listening. He drinking that dirty pond water. Look, come on. Get back up here. Don't be walking away from me like that when I'm talking to you. But you never know. He normally catches possums. So how good can I expect him to really be? Well, we just having fun. Yeah, right, old Lou. We just having fun, see what he'll do. Let me see how the Garmin, if I can show you the tracks on the Garmin. Go up on the porch. Go on the porch, Lou. Go. Yeah, I got the neighbor's dogs out here going crazy too. But as you can see from where I dropped him to where he went, he basically did a big circle, hunted along the woods, and then made his way back to the house. Can't be mad at him. Stop! That's a bad dog right there. If I can make her a hunting dog, I would. But let's go ahead in this house, Louis. Let's go ahead and call it a day. Maybe we can do something later on tonight.